Hey guys, so in my last video I converted an Ego string trimmer attachment to run the IDEC Power rotary scissors. For that project I purchased Ego's MHC 1502 string trimmer and edger combo. Today I would like to review the edger attachment that came with that kit. Let me start by saying a stick edger is a critical tool in my lawn care arsenal. Now I know some prefer to do their edging with a string trimmer, but for me it's just hard to beat the crisp clean lines I can get with a dedicated edger. The overall construction of the Ego edger attachment is on par with my expectations. It really doesn't look or feel any different than what you would find on a gasoline powered equivalent. The blade is the same design that fits Steel, Echo, and many other popular brands. I'd noticed that the Ego branded blades sell for about $10 each at HomeDepot.com, so I was relieved to find that they're not using something proprietary. You can pick up these blades just about anywhere at a fraction of the cost. Blade changers are very familiar if you've ever worked with other stick edgers. Ego provides the tools you need and the shaft is reverse threaded. Now one thing they do utilize that I haven't seen before is a cotter pin in the end of the shaft to prevent the nut from unintentionally backing all the way off. Now I don't think that's absolutely necessary, so I'll probably lose that. Another feature that is just a little bit different is this optional edge guard. It's designed to keep the blade spaced slightly away from whatever you're edging against. Now the manual says it's optional and it was easy to remove, so I got rid of it. Let's talk about power. Is the Ego as powerful as my Maruyama M30 Powerhead? Probably not. But does it need to be? Probably not. The Ego has handled everything that I've thrown at it, and I would expect that to be the case for most people watching this video. So with all that said, let's hook this thing up and put it to work. So some final thoughts on the Ego edger attachment. I think it's a quality piece of equipment that meets my performance expectations. I enjoy how much quieter it is than a gasoline powered edger. I think it's great that someone could get into this system and not have to worry about keeping mixed gas on hand. I think it's just a really quality piece of equipment. I look forward to putting it in my rotation. I hope you've enjoyed this review. If you have, please hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.